Hello, good morning everyone. In this session, I'm going to discuss completely what is the best and perfect way introducing yourself before people, public, especially particularly interviewer, examiner. It's a very basic and common question, guys. Everybody aware about it, I think that. But we should have, no, we should notice, capture some points. What is the importance? Because it's a very simple question. Introduce about yourself. Because why, guys, why importance? Because it always pointing out personality of a person. Okay, it's a personal book of a person. Introduction is a short book of a person. Short books. Okay, examiner, interviewer, okay, can check out your personality, talent, thought, perception, ideas, thinking, mentality by asking some questions. So that's why introduction is also very common, simple but important questions. So we should try, we should know, we should have proper knowledge about each guides. It's a generally commonly, guys, entry arrival of a person, okay, famous personality, actor, actress, political leaders, okay, should be overpowering. If you are great, people welcoming you if you go anywhere. It's a sign being great. If you are a common man, no one is welcoming you, guys. It's also one kind of entry. So introduction also is entry of your personality. So it's a short book, just I said, guys, it's a short book of a person, okay? Because it describe, define personality of a person. The first things are, guys, which you have to notice how you can greeting process. Greeting process. If you go anywhere, okay, in the party program you attend, you got a chance, okay, delivering, giving lectures. So I think the first number where we have great personality, it may be also there, okay. Any chief case, principal, managers, okay, anyone can present there, guys. So first number you have to say. Second number you have to write thanks that community of which invited you, okay. First number you have to tell your name, okay, guys. What my name is Hafiz, my name is Abdullah, my name is Awil, Mukesh, whatever your name, okay. This is Hafiz, this is Amir, this is Abdullah. Yeah, I am Abdullah, I am Amir, okay. I am Rahul. Somebody said that myself is Amir, myself is Rahul, okay. Myself is Hafiz. It's wrong. Don't say, never say that myself, I am, yeah, this is, yeah, my name is. It's right. Second things, basically, where are you from? What's your village name? What's your state, country name? You have to also mention, okay, in the short. Third things, which, okay, what's your qualification, education? It's a very important, it's a major important. What's your qualification? Because it point out your level, standard, what you have yourself, okay, how much knowledge you have. So what's your education qualification? Okay, right? Yeah, what's I'm doing graduation, I'm doing master, I'm doing PhD, okay. So I'm preparing UPSC examination. What's your, okay, education? You have to explain. I want to take this time. Next is that is, okay, what's your hobby? What's your hobby? It's also playing important role. It tell us, okay, what's your mentality, what's your thought, what's your perception, what do you do daily in your practical life? Hobbies tell us, okay. It may be also that if you are a student, reading books your hobby, okay. Speaking English, discussing my hobbies, yeah, playing cricket game also hobby. So you have to mention in your introduction, guys, what's your hobby. Next point, next is that is a major important, okay. Right, guys, what's your career, what's your career, what do you want to be in your life, what's your career, what's your ambition, what's your dream. Okay, do you want to be doctor, officers, lawyers, political leaders, social reformer? Where do you want to be in your life? It's so very important. Okay, career, your career. Okay, I want to. And second, next important is that this is important, but more important is that why do you want to? Why did you selected that? Why did you select that one? Just I want to be a doctor. Why? Because I want to give free service to the name of my country. That's why I decided to be a doctor, guys. It's okay. Our country needs the doctor, especially villager area we are living. We have experience there. We are not getting okay famous and experienced expert veteran doctor. I want to be IS officer. Okay, why do you want to be an IS officer? You know, because I want to kill. I want to kill. I want to kill corruption from country, city. That's why I decided to be a IS officer, killing the corruption. Corruption is the root of all evils, guys. If you become success, finishing, killing, destroying corruption, absolutely, your state, your country look beautiful, just like that, guys. Okay, next is that what's your strength? It's a very what's your strength? Where do you believe much more? What's your strength? Okay, people give different answer. My strength is that my parents, because they supporting, helping, they providing a beautiful, nurturing upbringing, or nurturing upbringing. That's why I believe trust too much on my parents. I'm standing here only because of that. That's why. Kids also like my parents. Somebody said that I believe hard working. Okay, without working hard, no one can achieve anything. Nothing is impossible in this world, right? Nothing is impossible in this world, but it's up to you completely. Okay, how much effort, how much passion do you use there? If you are passionate, you can achieve. Okay, you should have many yourself achieving anything. Okay, to achieve anything, you will have to face, you will have to bother a lot in your life. It's the reality. It's a reality, guys. So what's your strength? Somebody said that. What's your strength? My strength is that whatever process I start until finishing, don't stop. So it's my strength. So whatever your strength, you can mention. Okay. And next is that opposite point is that what's your weakness? Weakness also should be like that strength. My weakness is that when I see poor needy person, I can't stop myself helping support. I have pity myself. I have humanity. Okay, everybody has humanity. Not that only you. Everybody has humanity. So what do you want to? Okay, what's your weakness point? My weakness point is that where we go, whenever, where we go, anywhere, quickly make friendship. It's my weakness. It's my weakness. Somebody said that my weakness is that forgetting. Okay, quickly I forget things, whatever. It's alright. Okay, I think that more than 90% people forget. Only 10% people never forget. Whatever they see, capture forever. Capture forever. Right? Weakness. Okay, if you wanna, you can mention also. Okay, family backgrounds. Family backgrounds. Okay, what's your father's? He's doctor, engineer, lawyer, officer, farmers, whatever you can. If your mother's teachers, officers, political leaders, yeah, wonderful house lady, maybe also that. Okay, right now you can. How many brothers, sister you have? This is also. If you wanna, you can mention here. But few things which you have to notice. Okay, 2 3 point. Okay, your career, your career. What do you want to be in your life? Strength, weakness. Okay, hobbies, education, qualification. These are 4 5 okay important elements which introduction. Okay, right. So always introduce yourself confidently. Whatever you have, you should try to put, express, mention, define. Interview. Introduction always define your personality of a person, introduction, it's a short book of a person. Okay, introduction. Examiner, interviewer can check out. Okay, can check out your personality, your skill, your mentality, thought, thinking, each and everything what you have yourself. Okay, that's very important, guys. So I think that you got many points which I expressed in my speech. Okay, so I want to finish here, guys, my speech. Okay, thank you very much.